She a give me one island right and I laugh I change it here. Yeah, remember when me tell us if we ride all night, like we ready ride, do the ride or bike.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm sorry about the echo. I'm sorry about that. But today I'm gonna be doing a thrift, Today I'm gonna be doing a thrift haul, and I picked up some items from the thrift store about 2 days ago. Whoa, there's such an echo. But anyways, let me just get jumping. Happy New Year's, it's been a minute. Let me jump right in. So the first thing I found at the thrift store was this set. This top was $6.98, and it's black, so I don't know how well you can see it. But the top part of it is silky, if you can see that. Top part's really silky. I really like it. It has a smidge of a it's kind of cropped. That's what I was trying to say. And then here's the shorts, which was $6.98 as well. So it looks like this. And I think it's so cute. BT Dubs. This is a try on haul. So you probably won't even see all the stuff that I'm putting up to the camera right now. I'm having a FaceTime call. I'm back and I'm better. Don't you just hate when you try to do something and people interrupt you, but when you're not doing anything, it's like your phone's dry? Anyways, the next item I have is this jeans. This high-waisted thrifted jeans. I like it a lot. It does fit really nice, but it doesn't fit me how nicely I want it to fit. So I will be selling this on my Depop. What I think I'll do is distress the jeans a little bit and sell it on Depop, and I'll link my Depop below. I have some stuff on there that I haven't sold yet, and they're really, really dope. But again, this is the jeans. This was $6.98 as well. The next thing I found is this velvet dress. Like, look at the velvetness. It's so beautiful to me. I'm gonna fix these parts. See how it's kind of ripped? It's an easy fix. But look at how beautiful it is. It does have some type of curvature to it. I don't know, like, it doesn't look like it, but you'll see it when it's on. And it does have a slit down the back, right here. I really like it because it's long, and I have found a lot of velvet dresses from the thrift store, but normally they're like short. This one's a bit longer. So the next item that I found is a sweater, and it's very appropriate for the season. The velvet dress was $5.98. And this sweater is $5.98 as well, which I don't know how or why it's the same thing. But this is what it looks like. It has this long little neck that I tried to fold a while ago. But it looks like this. Let me try to lean back. Lean back. Okay, that was corny. This is what it looks like. It looks so burnt, like a burnt orange, but it's not that orange. It's not that orange. In here, but I really do like it. It seems like it's warm and it's really cute. We'll see. Then the last piece I have was $7.98, and it's this windbreaker. Yes, this windbreaker. It says no spin. If you can see that, yeah. It says no spin with the American flag, and it zips all the way up and down. My head is so tired. It zips all the way up and down, and it's nice, it's big. I'll also be selling this on my Depop for anyone that wants to know. I really like it. So that was my quick little haul. And I might put some more like clips of me moving around with the clothes because I feel like it kind of went by fast, so I'll show more clothes. And also, I will leave my Depop down below. Give this video a like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. I'm so sorry about the echo. And stay tuned for another thrift haul that I have coming up in a couple days. So, bye.
Got a lot on my mind, I'm thinking I'm needing a break to clear up the clutter. Dang, man, can I get a minute? Cause the space, man, you been in my head playing games, man. You be way too controlling. Got me feeling like I can't breathe, I can't even hang with the homie.
Till the next morning, NASA, she a must be sparring. He must send back every dollar when him touch foreign. Ramsay, just to make it was sparring. In another way, man. She start boss, so me tough up her mouth with the pillar. She a curl up like caterpillar.
Bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down, bend down. The girl, hey girl, me like to see when you bend down, ass up in the air. She a give me one island right, and I laugh at change it gear. Yeah, remember when me tell us if we ride all night, you could ready ride, do the ride all right.
The girl with a body, with a mad anybody, you me need a people type on my team. Give her some cocky first time, turn a big rest of history, if you know what I mean. You say, hey pretty girl, what you doing out there? Say she hurting a lover, now she don't care. Pretty girl with a body, with a mad anybody, so